Hello and welcome to Beautiful Within. So Envy box has arrived. This time they have given a bright yellow box with some forest kind of thing. There are some plants, there are some flowers, and there is of course a bird there. So it's of course the summery theme. So let's dig in to the contents. This time the Envy box has sent 4 products and a voucher. So the first product being the Island Kiss Lip Moisturizer in Puerto Berry Blush. This is the moisturizer, the lip moisturizer, or let's say it's a lip balm. It opens like this, and there's the lip balm here. This is the balm, if you can see this. So it is of course colored. So it is in the shade Berry Cherry. So this is like the kind of red kind of a color that it has. This, as you can see, this is the red color that it has. It's very good on the lips as well. It's 100%, they say it's 100% pure and organic as well. Nowhere it's written that it's paraben free, but of course it's very much organic. This retails for $4.99 and there's a full size products. So they have 2 shades, I guess. They have in lavender, vanilla and lavender, and this is cherry. So I've got cherry, of course. The second thing that we have is Roots and Above Lemon Essential Oil. So this is the oil. They have sent a 10 ml bottle, while a 50 ml retails for $375. So this is the lemon essential oil. This comes of course with a dropper, and it's really fine. The smell is actually very good for lemon. Of course, you can use it in face mist, you can use it in face masks, you can use it as an oil on your temples as well, though it's not recommended to use essential oil directly on the skin, but you can easily use it in face packs and things. Of course, this comes in a very cute bottle, and the color is also very nice. The smell is also very good of lemon, but somehow it's giving a very antiseptic smell for some reasons. Not the exact lemon smell, but it's a good smell, a pleasant smell. So the second thing that they've given, the third thing rather that they've given is a Votre Botanical Toning Mist. So I have used a facial serum from Votre, and it was great. This is a botanical toning mist, which is a 50 ml. It does not mention that it has any flavor or any kind of fragrance or something, but they say that it will maintain your skin's natural pH. This is a 50 ml bottle. The full size 100 ml retails for $800. So this is for $400. It comes with a spray bottle, so great for that is also great. And the last product that I have is Gulnar Handmade Skincare Sea Flow Face Wash. So this is the face wash. This is a very giant bottle, but it's 120 ml as well. So the full size is 350 and this is full size. So this also has a very good, I guess it has some kind of what do you call it, those sea salt products which have a certain smell. This very much smells of that. Okay, so they have cucumber, they have wheat germ, a grapeseed oil, and yeah, that's it, and lemon in it. So of course it's smelling very hydrating of cucumber and lemon. Very fine smell, and it comes in a gel form, so it's good for all skin types as well. And the fifth thing that Envy box has sent is a special exclusive Kiehl's voucher. So this voucher lets you enter any of the Kiehl's store which they have mentioned at the back. So whichever is the store near you, they have in New Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, Chandigarh, Kolkata and Pune. Chennai is not there, I'm sorry. So they've mentioned some stores, and you can just go and try before you buy. So they'll give you a skin consultation, and they'll also give you some free samples, so you can avail this voucher as well. Now I like this one's Envy box. I like the products, but still at times Envy box sends like very top class brands. This time certain of the brands I've heard, of course, Roots and Above and Kiehl's, they are very Votre, but somehow that thing was missing, that those extremely premium and luxury brands which we expect from my Envy box. But any which ways, it was a great box. They are very good products, especially for summers, so I love it. Envy box retails for I don't remember how much it retails for. I'll have to link it down below, but you can go to myenvybox.com and avail for their boxes. They have of course a subscription service. I guess one box retails for $850. I do not remember the prices because I subscribe for a high duration, and that's why I remember the price it comes to me. So this month's Envy box, I guess I would give it a thumbs up, and you should subscribe to it because certain of the products are really good, and anyways it is exceeding the cost of the box, which is $850, the full product, so you can easily avail for it. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye.